Here's a piece of good news amidst Halifax's ongoing housing crisis. The Halifax Partnership recently did a recruitment drive at job fairs in London, Paris, Toronto, and Morocco. They had 35 job offers from local companies, mostly in construction. The partnership was hoping for maybe 1,000 applications, but about 4,000 came in.
So going with those job opportunities in hand was a big differentiator in terms of our success at these fairs.
They're now going through these applications and hope to see 1,000 people eventually move to Halifax. The partnership also has to help find housing for workers that do come to the city. Luther says they're working with employers to consider modular or temporary units.
These individuals can live very close to where they work until they bring those buildings on stream, and then they can move in to those buildings.
The province is also focused on recruiting internationally, with a focus on health and construction workers. They headed to 35 domestic and international fairs last year and made about 7,000 good leads with people who have the right skills for local jobs. There were also about 250 construction workers who immigrated to Nova Scotia last year, double from the year before. More are expected this year, especially in light of a new immigration pilot for construction workers.
We've been able to spread that dispersion of newcomers out through the province and make sure that everyone is seeing the benefits of immigration and population growth and the people with the skills and experience that employers need.
There have been concerns high immigration numbers across the country have outpaced housing, driving up prices. Butler Esperance says the reality now is that Nova Scotia needs workers from around Canada and overseas to help build those homes. The province's immigration streams are also focused on people who have job offers in hand. Halifax Mayor Mike Savage agrees immigration is key, which is why the City Council funded the partnership's recruitment project. But he says municipalities must get a share of provincial and federal taxes to pay for rising infrastructure and service costs.
Growth is good, but it has to be equitable for all the orders of government.
The labor gap does continue to grow. A new federal report says there will be more than 7,000 job openings in trades and transport over the next 2 years in Nova Scotia. Haley Ryan, CBC News, Halifax.